Hola Mzansi. Welcome to the Soccer YouTube channel that will bring you the soccer updates the way you want them to be. So Bafethu Humiquel Cardoso has opened up on the challenges that he's been facing since taking over from Umanqoba Mnqethi as the Mamelodi Sundowns as coach. The Portuguese governor was announced as the Premier Soccer League giant new manager after the Brazilians parted way with Manqoba Mnqethi. The former aspirant of Tunisia's first game as Mamelodi Sundowns manager was their match against Moroccan giant Raja Casablanca and the CAF champions. Miguel Cardoso has stated the problem he's been facing since replacing Manqoba Mnqethi as the Mamelodi Sundowns head coach last week. According to the news, Cardoso claimed he's having issues working with the big squad at the Mamelodi Sundowns. The Betway Premiership giant registered 37 players for this season, and the Portuguese mentor admitted that it's tougher managing a large squad, which would be the first time in his coaching career. He said, "It's different from the teams I've coached before, because I have to put in extra work on preparation. It's tougher and takes more time. It requires more attention." The former Kettler Vigo manager claimed, "I worry when I create situations like 10v10 in training, as there is often a large group of players not involved." That's what Cardoso has claimed that he's having challenges at the Mamelodi Sundowns so far. What do you think about this whole thing? Please place your views in the comment section. I will see you on the next video.